Again, boos. Yes, I'm back. You see, I told you guys that I will be on it in 2019. So I am back with my best of 2018, and in this one I actually don't have very many of the products on hand, but this is my favorite category of products. Yes, you're correct, dip conditioners. So my favorite dip conditioners of 2018 are here. This is in no particular order. I guess I will start with the one that I have here with me, and this is the Mixtress J Cosmetics Coffee Cream Dip Conditioner. This is what I used for a large part towards the end of the year, so it did a good job. It kept my hair soft and moisturized, and I quite thoroughly liked it. It left my hair feeling supple. If you want to see a full review on these products, you can check it up right here. My second dip conditioner is my all-time favorite dip conditioner ever in life. You should already know what that is. I have put many of you guys on, and quite sadly, I did not come to Trinidad with one, and I cannot find it. I had found it in one store in Trinidad when I lived here about 4 years ago, and that is the Afagi Calific Texture Treatment. It's an elasticity treatment. It has both moisturizing and strengthening properties, and quite coincidentally, it is the least natural product that I use, but it works wonderfully. It is quite affordable, and so I'm not knocking it because it works well. And the third dip conditioner that I want to mention is a new find. When I first moved to Trinidad, my friend Bianca needed a protein or at least an elasticity treatment. She's relaxed, but the one that we could find at the shortest notice was from a brand called Rave Willy. So I will put the name on the screen, and I will also try to find a picture. It was my first time trying this brand. I had never heard of this brand before, but the dip conditioner was surprisingly very, very good. I don't have the container with me. I found it at Pennywise, I believe. Yes, I found it at Pennywise Cosmetics, and it was not super expensive, but it is a very lovely dip conditioner. It's very soft, it leaves your hair very supple, and it just does a very wonderful job. It actually reminds me a lot of the Afagi Calific Texture Treatment, and I put it right up there with it. So yes, guys, these are my 3 favorite dip conditioners. These are the dip conditioners that I used throughout 2018. Of course, I also used the packet dip conditioners from Hask. As you guys know, I love them, but I did not use them as frequently this year. I may have to resort to using them in 2019 because this is what I can find on the ground here in Trinidad and Tobago. So yes, I've given you 4 options, and they are all lovely. They work really, really well. And if you're looking for a dip conditioner to help maintain your protein moisture balance, all of these options would do well for you. This one has more moisturizing properties than strengthening properties, but the other 3 have a good balance of protein and moisture ingredients. So thanks for watching, guys. Merci pour tout. Don't forget to like, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and don't leave here without telling me what your favorite dip conditioner is. And I'm always in the market for a new great dip conditioner, so don't slip. Let me know what your favorite dip conditioner for 2018 was. Which dip conditioners will you be carrying into 2019 with you? And check out my video on the 3 products that I'm excited to try in 2019. One of them is actually a dip conditioner. So hey, thanks for watching. Bye bye.